What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management channel on YouTube. If you guys are new to the team, drop a subscribe down below. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. We can do it. We're going to be giving away t-shirts, books, courses, everything, private mentorships, everything. But we got to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. We can do it. I know we can. No worries, guys. But in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top 3 investments that you need to really do before you're 20, and it'll help you become a millionaire. Is start investing for retirement. Now you might be saying, Carter, retirement's 45 years away, 40 years away. I don't have to do it now. I can do it later. And by the time you're 30, you're going to say, oh, I'm going to do it later. 50 comes around. You're going to say, oh crap, we got to start getting the ball rolling. But if you start putting $20, $30, $40, $50 away a month, it's going to compound. So by the time you can really start, putting away hundreds or thousands of dollars a month, it will already start compounding and you will be making a lot of money. Now doing this, like I was saying, it's going to compound on that interest and you will be making a ton of money, if not hitting that millionaire status. Now, there was this story that goes, this UPS worker worked his entire life. He got a job when he was 18. He retired when he was 65. He never made more than $45,000 a year, but he saved and invested almost 80% of his money. I don't know how he survived on this. Obviously he might have had help, financially, or had a spouse, but he retired with $65 million. $65 million. Now doing this, by the time he was retirement age, he was making roughly $2 to $3 million a year just off the interest and the compound interest. So it's a crazy little story for you guys who think, oh, I should just blow it off. Now, if that's, say if God forbid something happens, but you have this significant wealth you can, kind of give to your family, if that, say, something ever happens. But the second thing that you guys should do is start investing in the stock market. Now, you might be saying, Carter, investing in the stock market is a very risky thing to do. Well, risk is what you don't understand. Now, the great Warren Buffett said that quote, and it's true. If you don't understand something's going to be a lot riskier. So learn it. Stock market is the second way to really generate, net worth and growth in your money. Now, we're not going to get to that number 1 spot yet, but really start investing in what you know. If let's say you work at an automobile company, let's say you work at Ford, maybe start putting some money into Ford stock or some sort of stock, or you can even just put it in the broad, S&P 500. But I would really focus on, tech companies and companies that have a lot more growth compared to just the overall market, because that's why you kind of have that retirement. So let's say you followed the first step, you followed the second step, and now you say, Carter, I have some money. What should I do? What should I do? Help me. Help me answer all of my problems. Now, the third way, and this is something that I have really wanted to start getting into, but there's an issue. It costs a little more money than the rest. Because, the retirement, you can just put $100 in a month or a week. Stock market, you can put $100 to $500 in a month or a week. Now, this is going to be something that is it's going to be a passive income investment. So if you get it now, you can really have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of these by the time you retire. Now, this is going to be called a rental property. So just to break it down for you guys that don't know what it is, it's pretty much when you buy a home, and then you have tenants, and they pretty much pay for the mortgage that you own. So they're paying off the mortgage, you're getting the net worth and the asset of the house paid for by the tenant. Now, doing this, the risk is if you don't have tenants, no one's going to pay to have that, so you're going to be stuck paying it. But once you get tenants, you can use what you call collateral for other houses. So let's say you have you want to get another house. You already have one. You can use that other house as collateral. So if that's, say you miss, a couple payments, they can take that other house, which sucks. But, it's for somebody who doesn't have a lot of money and wants to start doing this. Now, really the best way to get going on this is just to buy a home. So you buy a home, you live there, and let's say you leave, you want to get another house. You don't sell your home. You save up money and you buy another house. Now, doing that, you can pretty much transfer everything over to that other house and use the house that you first had for your tenants and everything like that. So you already paid for the startup cost, you already paid that down payment, and once that house gets paid off, you're rolling in, that $1,200 or $1,500 a month that you charge for the house. So it's something that I would really look into if you guys are young and you want to start putting your money out there and really start doing. So just to recap on the video, number one, invest for retirement. We'll put a retirement link down below. You guys can get maybe $5 or $10 for your retirement. Sign up, it's pretty cool. Number two is start investing in stocks. Stocks are a great way to build wealth. Passive income, they offer dividends, everything like that. Number three, invest in real estate and rental properties. So, that is the best way to accumulate wealth, is by doing all three of these. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. So this episode, we're doing the ad at the end. This episode is brought to you by Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas is a premium day trading scanner that allows you to scan the entire stock market in milliseconds. Now you can use code MVP15 to get 15% off all products across Trade Ideas. We'll put that down below for you guys. So if you guys want to start investing in stocks, the scanner will help you find stocks to trade and stocks to invest in. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Use code, I'll throw my course in. Use code 50OFF to get 50% off anything on my store. Take care, peace out. Hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the day, rest of the week. I don't know. Take care.